Hello my dear students, today we are going to see about trigonometry part 9. Trigonometry part 9. In this we will see how the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec 90 degrees values. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec 90 degrees values. Okay. For this we should take one right angle triangle. Okay, it is right angle triangle. That means it will be one of the angle will be 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees, and let it be A, B and C. Now you take this angle as, okay, the acute angle. Okay, now we should make this angle 90 degrees. If we are using with this, if we are using this angle, this side will be the opposite, this will be the adjacent and it will be the hypotenuse. We should make this angle 90 degrees. If I want to make this angle 90 degrees, what I have to do? This triangle, this part will move this side. That means it will join to AB. Then it will become ACB. That means this part moved to AB. Okay, that means AC moved to AB. Then if I am taking supposition, if I am taking this as A, okay, this as A, then if it is joining, it will also become A. Okay, so AB is equal to A and AC is equal to A and BC is equal to, if it is joining, there will be no gap, so it will be 0. BC is equal to how much? 0. For example, let me explain you with these markers. I am taking this black marker and the blue marker. Okay, black marker and the blue marker. Now here suppose if it is forming 90 degrees, suppose here it is forming 90 degrees, one straight angle. Okay, now here it is forming 90 degrees, If I want to make this angle as 90 degrees, what I have to do? I have to take this towards this one. They will overlap on each other and form the 90 degrees. Like that. Now what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is, this is opposite side, AC is the hypotenuse, BC is the adjacent side, Now we will use the formula to find out the hypotenuse already. Okay, hypotenuse it is getting A, no need not to find out. Now we will go for the formula, that is sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Then sin 90 degrees is equals to, opposite is how much? A, hypotenuse is how much? A get cancelled, then it will be 1. Like that, cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Now cos 90 degrees is equals to adjacent is how much? 0 and hypotenuse is A. 0 by anything, it will be 0. Next, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite, tan 90 degrees is equals to opposite is how much? A, adjacent 0. A by 0 undefined number, that is not defined. Next, cot theta is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. Cot 90 degrees is equals to adjacent is how much? 0. Opposite is how much? A. 0 by anything, it will be 0. Then next, cot finished. Cosec theta is equals to HO, hypotenuse by opposite side. Cosec 90 is equals to hypotenuse is how much? A, opposite is A, get cancel 1. Then sec theta is equals to HA, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Then sec 90 is equals to hypotenuse is how much? A adjacent 0, it is undefined, it is undefined. So all the values we got. Let me explain, let me say you once again, this tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta also, okay, like that cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Next cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, and sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta. Now if you are able to understand this one, okay, basic concept, it is most important. Topic means it will not get in your syllabus, they will not ask the question to find how it is forming, okay. So but it will be very important for the basic concept. If you understand this one, then you can find out any ratios of 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 45 degrees, okay. Let me explain you once again. See, it is forming, this is one side of right angle triangle, this is the another side, and this one is also another side of right angle triangle, okay. Now name it as A, B, C, okay. If I want to make this angle as 90 degrees, what I have to do? I have to take this one towards B. If it is moving towards B, it will join with B, it will join with AB, it will join with AB. That means AB will become AC, or AB equal to AC. Then this one, there is no gap, then it will become 0, it will become 0, okay. Either you take sin theta by cos theta, you will get the same value, or you take tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent side, no problem, it will be equal. Hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.